Hello everyone, welcome to Shadaka. Today we are going to make special onion paratha. So let's go through the ingredients. For the dough, 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of oil and milk. So here we are taking milk because it gives a nice taste to your paratha. It enhances the color and gives a very nice flavor, but if you want you can also use water instead of milk. Now for the filling, 1 cup onion finely chopped, some coriander leaves finely chopped, green chilies finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder, pinch of ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and ghee. So let's start by preparing the dough. For that we are mixing all-purpose flour to the wheat flour. Next add in salt, some oil and now mix it well. Now we are going to gradually add milk. So keep on adding milk until you get a nice dough consistency. So here our chapati dough is ready. Grease it with some oil. Cover it and let it sit for 20 minutes. Till then let's prepare the stuffing. For that we are going to heat the pan, add oil, and here we are taking just a little bit of oil. Next add in ajwain, green chilies, onions, and now we are going to saute the onions. So here the reason to saute the onions is so that all the water dries off, and when you are making the parathas, your paratha will not tear off, and also it will give a very nice flavor to your paratha. Next we are going to add in salt, red chili powder, cumin powder, amchur powder, chaat masala. Mix it well, and you can see all the water has dried off. And lastly add in coriander leaves. And you can see over here our stuffing is completely dry. Now let it cool down. So let's start. Firstly we're going to take a little bit of mound, make it into a dumpling, cover it with some dry flour, start rolling it into a chapati. Next apply some ghee, then fill in the stuffing. And now cover it. Remove the excess dough and done. Now again dust it with some dry flour. So firstly we are going to press it with hands, gentle pressing. Again dust with a little bit of flour and start rolling it. Very gently, we don't want our parathas to tear. And make sure it's not too thin. Now on the side, heat the pan, put your paratha, flip it over, and you can see it has got a nice golden color. Next apply ghee. You can also use butter or oil, whatever you prefer. Then again flip it over, ghee on the other side again, covering all the sides. And you can see nice paratha. Cook it until it's nice golden brown color. And the paratha is ready. And our onion paratha is ready. And you can see the stuffing over here. Really nice. Serve it with sour cream and it's very tasty. So do try this special onion paratha. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.